must be. What the fuck? You can't! Oi, it's a no right turn! You fucking idiot! Oi! It's a no right turn! Oh fuck!
Showing up at the moment, as well as the excessive winds that have potential to crash it.
You fucking dumb cunt!
Oh, fuck! What are you fucking doing? Oh, you fuckhead! Fuck me, cunt! Don't do it. Fucking stupid!
And that he should have known that human beings, according to the Bible anyway, human beings are selfish to the core, they misunderstand so much, they're stubborn, that he should take things in his own hands if that's who we are.
Holy fuck!
If he truly wants
1752.
So, yeah, I agree. I think the whole industry of apologists is like that. I think the reason why it's a cottage industry right now, where programs are starting up all over the place, in seminaries, is simply because they feel under attack, and websites and Facebook pages. I think everybody wants to
Hey!
Oh, gee. So, shit! The stolen car. Fuck! Oh no, look.
George's Canaries, 2 to 3 lanes, block delays back over the M5 and Camden Valley Way, Denham Court Road into Leppington. Traffic remains slow. Get a discount off your total energy bill, guaranteed, with Energy Australia's Total Plan. Conditions apply. Basic plan information documents are available at Energy Australia.
Are you fucking serious?
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me,